What's up, guys? You're probably seeing me sitting here in this wheelchair, wondering what's going on, what happened, how'd I hurt myself this time? But actually, you don't have anything to worry about. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys one of my new workout techniques. So most people would see this sitting on the side of the road. Looks like a wheelchair, right? But nah, this is a way, look at, actually I've been getting pretty lazy lately. I haven't been doing much workout and stuff. So let's see if we can do something about that and put this wheelchair to some good use. Here we go. You got bird. Yeah, over there. Got this, we got this, we got this. And woo. So, as you can see, that's how we do the wheelchair workouts. I recommend looking for a little bit of a incline so you get that extra push, that extra burn. You're not gonna wanna overdo it, otherwise you're gonna be a little too easy popping those wheelies, woo, which are fun, but anyway, so yeah, work that upper body with the wheelchair that you find sitting out on the side of the road. One thing to mention about this is watch out for your hands on the tires. Now I know why when you see people riding the wheelchair.